Bo Nkommo Shia mami ebu esi edu Onina pamfuo Bo Nkommo Onadom FM Obema wefu to pay Obema ukranshe Obema weni daso my Bo Nkommo Oba papa wo yana o Bo Nkommo Oh, a good woman is priceless. Bo Nkommo. A maso on faso pan. Bo Nkommo. If you educate a woman, you educate a nation. Bo Nkommo. It's so betray or how be a dower anymore. Bo Nkommo. Oh, it's so betray. She am a me a mua. Bo Nkommo. Bo Nkommo. Bo Nkommo 106.3 Bo Nkommo Yeyoba utai ben kurane si weni so Bo Nkommo suku ko biana ejuma ye biana Bo Nkommo uonim diebi na se wo pese wo de bwa o manyi Bo Nkommo se wo kunu so ma wonya e ma wa be mumwo Bo Nkommo shia mami ebu esi edu oni na pamfuo Bo Nkommo Onadom FM obema wefu to pay obema ukranshe obema weni daso my Bo Nkommo Oba papa wo yana o Bo Nkommo Oh, a good woman is priceless Bo Nkommo A maso on faso pan Bo Nkommo If you educate a woman, you educate a nation Bo Nkommo It's so betray or how be a dower anymore Bo Nkommo Oh, it's so betray She am a me a
made off when you remember ye be Bo Nkommo ye be Nkommo ye be no Nkommo ye be we na ukoma ato ye mon sambe bresi fie mu to da bia na ye pe obi ne na ka ho nsam nipa e beto na somo no enyo no na to da bia ye pese wote fisi obi enya te wasam anyame anya wadom ba bia ode be kwa kodru ene mpo nkyeremu a ode be ba no na ye nsam bebre na so asam no se hye wonko awakoma mu so a Penifo se menkumi tiri mu pro to bo asem no ehwe wunya ya nka woni obi ache tore bia na bia wuku bi wo yiri bi wo dofo bia ne wo ho no munya ya nka wo be yidin na watie o oni nka onye din no ntie nsem no wie kura waka bibi akere wo na so bi wo kura na nipa no wonya bre na watie o enti wo hu eno na wo be hu oba bi o se he doesn't know how I feel tore bi so oba me bi be ka se mama is same this woman on shedan timasie ye eni ade e ho de yen hwe enti eno ena eno ti ye Bo Nkommo e wa hanom se de be ya efie mu betwo mpelifo se efie mu dwo ana ha mu so adwo se wunya hu se obi kuma to ne ye mo abonte a na no kwasem ne na fie adwo se fom no kure se obi hu obi na chese nipa ne boafu da bia ne boafu ana chese fie nhyeda nko yi ana eno ti na nne me no mie no ye Bo Nkommo edi Nkommo awe Nkommo e family lady reverend ma me ye bosi du we don't for me that say stations the doors TV stations radio stations ni ade so da bia multimedia adwuma ko yi ye nwuma die ni ayi nyina enya wonya ti Adom FM pe na wo de ato hanom wo Adom 106.3 FM nyame wo hyirawo enen so wo odon da bia wo dan di ekire yen wo san so efre yen ekire wadwen to da bi kura ni akansem bi na hye wabufu ne so ni nyina mu nyan ho nyame wo hyirawo ate yere wase papa and said ye di kan ka kire mo no this week yet was COVID-19 last week you discuss is ahun ba ben na nipa bebre ye ansa na ye koche dem wie na enioma ben na nipa suan ye aso usuan bibi free mu ana sa wo de said ye fe mu na hunu se ya abrabo obi hono ma o se mesimi dan enioma si de me see ye bie me pa investment me ye ena ye bie ye edian ɛna wa start a wo ye ana ade aginatuo bɛn na wutu ana montuo bɛn nsɛm bɛn na woka a kyerɛ sɛ wo bɛkɔ wanim na mmom kai sɛ ɛyɛ Black Rock honey whiskey won adama na wo so ya sen Black Rock honey whiskey ɛyɛ whiskey papa yɛ de a blend and as yɛ infuse it with natural honey asana ɛwɔ inviting aroma and as ehwa mu yie ɛma wo nom bi no na ɛyɛ smooth and so ɛwɔ tekrema so ɛma mo we no enti bomodia sɛ won so sɛ wonya hoho bi ɛne ade na onim sa no modia ɛne no ha ne Black Rock honey whiskey ne mum ka sɛ kasa prekofo ɛna de so ya sen ne mum nru 18 years ɛne na kyria na wo san so enyi nsen na wo yoba asomasi hwe no akwanko no bi na akwanko hawo nyame wo hira mo papa na mum sɛ de onim no COVID-19 ana sɛ coronavirus no egu so asesi agana hakura hu ema na aboro so sesi anipa enya bi no kwa na ekoso kwa na yekɔ yanim sesi aye ne nam ahe ye nen kwa yenya ne nte sɛ nipa 16 ɛna efrim na so hu sɛ ehu pa efri na no Sunday ya besi nne da na no Sunday na president sɛ nipa efrim aye 11 efri wa besi nne nipa 5 na ba bɛka ho yemu bebre nso ye na manase ye refi sɛ yare no kora wo ho enti asomesi me ka wo sɛ me pa wo ohoro wonsa ye baby a wo ohoro wonsa as many times as possible and you read them ohoro wonsa wo pie ohoro wonsa wo ko shop ohoro wonsa oto ade ewi ohoro wonsa obi ohoro ne nsa wi so ade na oto ye no ohoro ho sa ade no ade ye wash me ye ya ohoro ho say ade e wo box mu ampa cho fa yi rubber alcohol bi ana say your friend say if I rubbing alcohol before bo if I saw a boom never be pepa ho nyina now they are sanitizing ho as many times as possible would the bibi new ma ho de kwacha fridge men kota de wa bonten wa hohoro nsa enso wa hohoro ade ne ho uki a bia okuta ode bie wo ka eno one sanitize obu ho no mo be sanitize bibia na ni phone okuta no de asoso ni o mema na de sasoso mbebre ne enso no de one sanitizer misrewo bomode asa obe sanitizer bibi a obeso mbia mu ani emra ho so na bomode asa wo de sanitizer be fa ho anasa de ko no be ohoro ho ma yeyi ahohoro ho o groceries wapo ni ade ahwede bi na wakoto ohoro ho yie ne hunu sɛ de wudi hu ne nyesa na obia edi ne hu ne tipacho ohoro ho yie sɛ de be ya bibi enkosi ebiemu nso ba bia obeduru bia te sɛ ukogina counter wana sɛ obia wo shop o counter ne so no disinfect ho fa ayi gu ho no spray alcohol kakra fa pepa ho nyina fine o furniture akonwa a wote so toys a wode ma ede ma edi agoro titiri nkwala no bomodin ase no so be pepa ho kama da bia ebe ya wa hohoro ho ne ho ayi neat o laptop papa pepa ho if it's a to da bia na mobile phones ne your laptops ko ho wo fi kra chen sabe ye na ase enti bomodin ase wo be pepa ho ayi bibia na bibia akoyie na ne kura no disinfect ube bia na obeyi ne se wakokroma udru fia apedware first crans and waso bibia mu na o door knobs if you wo mu no o gate and free o gate anu they call bedroom all the door knobs bia no every 5 minutes bia my disinfect because who nipa ho be fi honum woni ma de ko oba e waso mu ebie na we so aso mu no de ebie na ni nyina na ye sheko so wan hwe ya obadwi se wo fi enti bibia nsi ti pa cho door knobs handles na wo so mu de bie wo pon ni ade no bomode aso be disinfect na bibia etimi akoyi ankasa ya family lady reverend mama yebosi edu na yebusa se last time no yakoshe dem no nipa bebri nkrofo yewuo ekomodi yen yewuo sisi ade yentimi ho sikani ho obi ade ne huji mu emma ekan bi emaya ekan bi emrewa ekan bi empanifo ekan bi mesriwa ekan bi mre oje so obi aka bi nkokora nyina aka bi eno na ye last time yebusa se ahombo abe na ye na ade koshe dem na akoshe dem odi na usua no kwasem ne ebie phone lines yetinsam bebri anipa di adanse se no kwasem Ghana hanom nipa bebri so mani aba won ho so se yen save kra if se yakoshe dem ni hu se ya se sika bebri to mache no we J1 J2 J3 na sika kra ni nipa dodo na mobile phones so sam bebri enti nipa bebri ka so mo ko save ye da se pa say ye de numbers ni to dwa mo fa ye na mo frɛ kama ene de ye hwe awafo ntem Wone wuku wone wayire mokɔhyɛ dam ana mokɔwura afia papa be 2 weeks ni wan pie anhyɛ dan kɔ baabi akɔ bi baabi kura akɔtɔ ade keke no waba ana oba akɔdi dwa keke no waba sign na mo relationship no tie titiri yɛn a yɛde agigya ɛma bebre wɔ hɔ no mo ne mo kunu mpo nhyɛ dan antiye ɛma bebre wɔ hɔ mo ne mo yire no mo nhyɛ dan antiye yɛn ne yɛn mantem yen awofo yen abatan yen awafo yen yen mantam yen efie yete fie no ede ne course nioma be ne esiesie odo ba yentem ana ebibufu ye na no na me interview nipa me yenu me ese bi o me say me sa de no kra de na na onya ye kra o ye ko hye dem me hwe me yiri yanimu a na mbufu obi sa me hwe me yiri yanimu a na mbufu obi nso se me ku minya yanko apie otifie no odidi dodo ani odidi no asan didi odi ha no adi ha etise aduane no odi ama ne boroso odidi soro no adidi form ani ade enti no kwasem ne sa lockdown de na de ba be mojasem obi nso say ye ma for the first time iku watifie ani onya ba bi anko ne phone ringi ano hwe menim na me so hwe danim ani ye nyina ye nyina titi ho na papa na afi na nim nyina ajoli obi nso say me yire me ti wono na me hu say me yire wonya hwe wompra wonu aduane wonsi nioma won hwe nkwale papa bia edem honum sa yesekatu obi so say yi mitire fie na mu se say yedan ni swawo mitire fie kakra na mu se say dan yisa me sori ana makotwem na madru gayi me free me bedroom na ma begina ho na ma gina gate na no ma sansa me cha betina si me hu se edem honum aye say chichirebo ti se box te hwana me niba me so dabi esese masasi me start ye bibi wo so obi so say no kwase me hye na me so say na chese me ne me ma relationship bi ani yentem e ka me ne nkwale o ma me so kodi dwa bakora nkwale me wo mo hwe me na me so me hwe me ne nkwale ko bitimi kura mu so mo say te say me hu de me nka no ane say me ne om te ya akakosia jai kwaku jasa awa trance no na obi so so odeti ho obi so say ne ba eja ne baby de ma no say ne yire say wo kwa kodi dwa ba osema hona mu se mabre me ko ya me ba he na che se me eji se me hu se me yire ko ya ba he no ma ya me hu bi akola ya ja ne nan na wadwo so na ba ku susu na omo de kai to se ne hwa na me ko pensa bi wo me fridge mi na me disi wo mpeja me nan te ya me yire ba he na kola ne nyina egu ho no ma so mo ya ye wo se me bu me yire papa obi so se ma me ku wan makura nkaye waba fie wane mi mpo ankasa nanim se suraka waye nanim straight no te ho wo ubusa na sema ni tina na odeje so okuta ni phone mie sa kopum se yadi bie yen obi so se mi ku de lockdown ya anya mpo ankaye wo ye course sana e no ni we kasa e no afre we na metene ncha mi mum ameye na yire wane me ankasa me ya sure say abubo nyina ba be si ho obi so say ye me tina fie na me hu say me fie ra me nyina na tire fie papa ya da me ka da mama teta lockdown we papa etu ho no abegina me gate ano lockdown di me hu ba me dwane afa papa ba na enu mo bo kayo oye mi nyomo o si so kai so di biko any idea Jesus say me fear adam me kasa ma fe de nyame anim nanado me boni dua ba tazi mama yetifia ma pay what it me sa obi so say me se me tire fie no meetings upon meetings kakana me fear aba frɛ me ene kwaku na no na woni ha no we na ba ye obeli nie ena we ye we ene yetu gota say ene yetu light bill say ene yetu toilet we any just yes no kwasem nie nanado onye study onye no anga so bianco lockdown oje hu say me sure say esam bebre bi amabobo yina dodo na bi wa wo de abem wodi enso mmemu a oje hu say titiro yenso ye wo emma no mo ekankan kwala o ko school no na ye de o nyina lockdown ye nyina egu fie kwala dede ni ade asofo no so a ye koye ayi counseling na ye di nye scan kakran no ya ma ya betena fie ni ade usika sam safo na te say freme na ye ni nkomo me number ni 03022161 5610302216562. Yeah, she say. Yeah, kwate na fie no yane ye yire no montem, yane ye kun no montem, yane ya dofo ntem say na ye. Yane ye fie ho no mo no. Say na te nyoma be pa na wadi ba ho so say me de nipa ba ko kan me ni ba mo say. Ma me hu say da me tim say sa. Da bia me kwa adwuma no pa no ma beda na jonti na ye me say ye all right. By my lockdown we any a day me dan te say box be gina ha no ma be gina ha be gina ha no ma be gina obi so say ono so e call lockdown hu say o mu fie toilet no enya o wa so anu ade ba no obi so etetama I see I know social distancing because we always speed ade ba na social distancing na way fa e tie ni o say ye hu di papa if you run also your person toilet no cry am yanko na fe ye hello yeah me sweetheart I'll be back online enye for me be moi enya kwa intimate wonka ai ya ko social distancing ya near relationships and some people have my bro so oh ni saying na dia na wo beka ade afa Hello. Yeah, Miss Sweetheart. But your first and I got a friend. I don't ask when I just had social distancing. I pure toilet and soon I can't say no. All right, we know for you.
Oh, yeah, me what can you say? I'm down you a year. That's yes, tie. I'm making a new like
wow, Ariana.
If I told you,
I don't worry, and I will not come powerful. If I want, I want you to come near the team. Moko said, and I said, "Away back." We have papa no mama, Beshe Fieno. How was the relationship? Bibi Sana in a year petty. Yamishra, why? Because I never powerful. Now you share the experience. Now I say, Bibi, why you? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Me ba Jenimo me ka from Vancouver.
Yo, Jenimo.
Yeah.
Jenimo ya go fie no na uhu ne se.
Oh.
Aha.
Ashemu. Ana edu be bia enipa. Ya na e ka se enipa hofro no. Na first moment ya se, em se e ya ye no kure o.
Sa?
Em se ya ye no kure.
E dey enti na odwen sa ka kire mi nti.
O se mu mienu mo hye wo sa no. Na de bia muhunu mo ho sa. O se enye.
Na wo do yire anka ne ho be funu.
Ba ma kwa bonten kakra, ma be fie kakra, ma be hu a cheye.
Ba bi mi buso asa. Me buso asa na wo yire na wo do no. O yire wo do.
Ya she dem sa. De chia, de chemti, ade chia, de chemti sa. Me do wi.
Me bamba.
Upi eju mpi.
Me bampe, eja ni mo.
Me tio.
Me pa cho wo yire o funtus buntus ana, na fuso, ne to so ana.
Oh, de.
Na fe di enti na en ho nya wakono. Because ade obi sunya was in go nya ya lord down dey kan to am because
I so say. Ya na me catch and say, oh say distance no. Yeah, you kakra ya na ye. But the ben sa ya me hard.
And to feel say uhu no dodo. Eja ni mo I bet say won shada na oyire. Wo do oyire pa nka. Kan no kra be honeymoon na ma. Wonim say
oh no dey e ho but edu ba bi a say
so be hu na nimu saa bebre saa.
John.
Ani e kwabro
chire. Fa ye ntem kakra.
Kwabro chire wo America so se kura se ko wu dada.
Are.
Say oyire ati Ghana oyire hwe wani mo se wo hu no dodo se wo hu dodo. Enti ama ho afro. You again mo be da se nyamisha papa. O me fa for hello. And then someone had there will be some Mommy Gold. Good evening.
Hello.
You look so beautiful. Watching you live from Italy. Good job, Agnes Asari. Yo, Medase. Hello.
Hello. Good
evening, Miss Sweetheart.
Me what your name to say?
Adom. Bacho free.
Me what your Miss Perfume Botiano.
Oh, mi area mu bacho. You from who did it say?
Me what your me the Mrs. Esiama.
Oh, yes, it's in our voice here then. Mrs.
Yeah, Mr. Lord, now we dear. Nana, do I hear dear papa?
Papa.
Echo ye, mammy, papa.
We are honeymoon home. We are honeymoon home.
Check, they say, TVA. They say, lockdown, you know, one quid more, and one or yes, or Beco. I think the Okodu gate to Nana, mammy to me, Quaja. What do you mean, call?
Nana, dear, not go quite down. And I'm saying the idea in I and yes, I walk quite down. Can I catch it anymore? Rose and your Canadian Sabian.
Oh, this you know different.
No, I day.
Oh, this you know different.
Mrs. Waswa would do, Waswa would do. Now, Miss Hatsy, made us say, but when is at this time, so why I'm this time, I wouldn't be, or baby, I would say, oh, Pebble. Lockdown period. So when to me and you now one Casano wins and I'm a boy.
Oh, you won't get me 2 boys into no and say the basic. But no, yes, and Konya or bar. Yeah,
and you have a patch of Aqualani bar to no Obaya COVID. Why?
Massive,
Obaya COVID. Yummy, show me see hearts with us. All right. I'm in Fafo for hello. Afo.
Yeah.
Oh, Afo, Mati, Wania, see, Mamania G.
Yeah, Mimi,
yes, darling. Now to say.
I'm Adom, your papa.
Yeah, then you're
me.
Let us see.
I do my family, yes, I'm no pa. Oh, Mubana, oh, but yeah, to Mama Ghana.
Yami Shrao, so much.
Miss Papa, King Pong, Samuel, you will be a papa. Lord, they buy on one or no work a crack.
All right.
Mammy,
yes, darling.
I thought that dinner be classy. First, if I won't say, Ayana, Nipa, or Mukan, or Ramu, or so. I wonder whether my chief for Muniaki or so, Quasiani worry. Now, Lord, they buy them who say, worry, Fasu was so papa. I didn't say, oh, say, me, my wife, no, or Boglushi. Boglushi, or party.
Yes.
And you know, look at me, Banukrano, or Timmy Cotati. Now, mammy,
and quite,
Benyami Yirina, or Satri with one.
Yes, and Kawai
say yes. Now, I dear me, your fear. Make me cast a tree within now, man, say more than 50 Ghana. And I was a penny, yes, me. Oh, Daddy, no, the infant.
Okay, and you may yes.
Me, what the Aniano, me, Cassana, me, what the Anu.
Sir,
I know him, I don't know, Anthony Sorino, part 2, about 6, 7, my so gas. The right so tiny there, Coconia, just say, we are number my son, or Beban, what we are in the Piao. And if you are a compound, or Pia, sending your sisters, you what for your mouth. Oh, Auntie, look at you by the man who say. Worry we ya papa and you be young one and
Yamisha, what's it? I Yao Buckman or say I'm watching you from Las Palmas, the Grand Canira, Spain. Or say I love your show. I love you too, my darling. Yao, Yamisha. And I do Jen Fiamma. Or say lovely program. Or say good job, mommy. Live from New York. I do Jen Fiamma. We shall papa. Mammy, come on. So hello.
Nyame asumige Nkommo anajuwe papa.
Oh, Nkommo so me bempa. Now what is saying?
Nyame Adom baby aboko.
Yo, very na pacho na efel saying.
From Nana Mohammed.
Yo, Nana, pacho I meet you.
Lockdown about their own. The teacher, a mamba.
Wow.
And for no more school by their own. Did you?
And what I know? Oh, did any answer on him? Men go for me over your me boy see. I don't to me the by 5 times.
David. That's an old chop mouth for our good trip. That is the ability to which you fish. Now, my said that you chop more at 4. Now, Obama from my channel no more. I got a million column. Hey, the crime with you. What's the other? Tell them what did you?
And I just say, I want to use a my bread.
Oh, my bread, papa, no quality of the teacher, mamma, papa. Oh, what did you do?
Nyamisha panana. Era say yenko Cote d'Ivoire so obi se pencil but me kan mitia kakra ma ko Facebook so kakra. Pencil kin Niroy or said they say watching you live at Cote d'Ivoire. Javan Kusin big ups to all Adom and radio TV workers. Nyami Unshamon so hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me bempa. But your first and I got a
Family na me kasa fitama.
Yo, Dana, but your mammy too.
Oh, me dey lockdown me nya kana do nya ne be 6 months.
As a why ye oh jama opa wo.
Oh, that be in power but ejuma ne me shede nya time. But family no me nya time.
But your me busa we juma be na esa. Obi ejuma na wa ejuma.
O nya me amejuma.
Enya wa ejuma.
Patron.
And no soon to see and lock in 6 months.
Enya sir, but time na me nya na me retina fie no. Oh.
But the person chance say and kay wa ejuma ka untu mu metra fie 6 months. But you be ejuma, o betra fie 6 months go betu akanti. And you be nya kwan na dey aba betra. No nya kwan.
Say bi muti fe di video.
O dey ye what to.
Me hu dey ato me o. O be nya se de bia na o so ya o yire ni.
Okay. Enti da bia o yire nu aduane ma ofan ma akoma to ye mo.
Aduane ne de se aduane ni o kana me hu na nu kra me okay.
Ana ayi obi nso se ono de lockdown no ma ni hu ne yire dedo. Eno so onye hu se.
Oh, ebi ana obu ho akwa na ne ni nheta nje no ho.
All right.
It's a lockdown na be chere say oyi.
It's a lockdown na ma hu ne yire no hu sa de we kura say my try wrong meat. Nyamisha me bempa. My me for before front so. Isaac Opoku was say, in fact, I like all your programs. Keep it up. Your Facebook message Makaino. Eunice Wabeng, I say good evening, mommy. Greetings from Minnesota, USA. I say keep the good work and God bless you. We will meet on prayer train. And I do you be bumper on the prayer train. On my Instagram page live. Baby, I will be out so no share on the prayer train. Nyame yeah and wamade bebre wo hono wa wo pe breakthrough wa wo pe oyibia wo pe so ben nyame ye na wonya oje no. The prayer train is there. Reverend Mami Gold and Rev Mami Gold. Who follow me on Instagram about 12 midnight bia but chokobo me picture na boss ro no so do betum life na I wait me ababy na so join empire book gidi century need e na so baby yeah for hello darling pacho first and I got a friend
I'm please.
I was there for saying
Yeah, I'm a customer place.
From planes. You about pacho kasana minti.
Lockdown 8 years today. Lockdown we have. Believe the class that they were 1 week.
Yeah. It's all the internet is an energy. Who's energy?
Baby,
a woman. Wow. There is only a lockdown at once. So,
hey, class.
Sir. All right, Obama Dasi. I mean, Yanka or baby on so on any quam, what am you doing me and son? Get a lockdown. We can perceive and send it. Yes, well, we are first wife, we are second wife, we are third wife. Ukun, why you didn't me and Sunny? The lockdown. Why now, Ukun, a lock in, a down.
Hello.
Yes, my darling, but your first and I got a thing.
Well,
Mr. Odro. Yo, Mr. Odro, Pacho Mamintio, why?
Yo, but when my wife put the and yes, I'm going to a crowd.
Sir,
Aye,
Bon Median see.
hey, Mammy good.
Yes.
Yeah, you wife for me, or me,
Sir,
Pastor in the Casa.
Mamma and Casa Obapa. Mrs. Odro.
Yes, madam.
Mrs. Odro.
Yes, madam.
Oh, Mrs. Odro, me too voice crime who say lockdown, they are locked down. Mrs. Odro.
Yes, madam.
Okuma to we am.
Papa.
Mr. Odro at Nephew for the first time. And it is a honeymoon, wow.
Well, sir.
It's your Nisika Samusuko ye. Where do you want to go ye?
Yeah, for
Na nkwala wo ho de na wo ma wa around.
Omo no nkwala no so bia yo to.
Sa. Yeah, de nyame. I hope say mo de nyame so de ka ho. Mo bompa ye ne ade. Mo ye bibia pepepe ye de nyame ase. Mi so do nyame nhira, mi so do so nyame nhira papa. Yeah, fafofo. Priscilla, also say hello, beautiful mommy. Good evening, watching you live from Paris, France. I will meet you on the prayer train. Okay. Priscilla Boache, also so be shy on prayer train. No, so baby, I will be we are see afana baby, I will be joining me on the prayer train every 12 midnight, and I do be with the exception of Sundays. Na ye mompaye. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Yes, my darling. The first and I got everything you, me bampa.
Yes, friend, Amache. Where do you mean? I'm coming to come and I'm about my package.
When you be when you be a do. Of Amache? Of Amache now, I lockdown, you who no saying, oh no, Doffuntem.
10 years in me. Don't lockdown, we pan a my fire. To Yammy to Musafe, a day. I don't put you for Unyaman or Yomo. Seven, Unyaman or what?
Yeah, Amache. Amache. And you come on at Tiano. You come on,
I didn't say 10 years in me. This is the time I'm a near in my life.
Ever understand, Bommy? I didn't see
you.
Now to Chimpana.
Oh, that be maybe a mini bit because we are Pentecost in me evangelist Kakra.
Okay.
Now, I dear woman say, young man, Mammy, almost do sika, I say, Omukno Mawarom.
A Casamani be.
A money be, no, Medase, Yamin. A money be near me is down. I say, and now, me no matter say. Me kwakoton me kwakoyese nanya nyame ko aye ya mama ya wale acha ye nya ni je wiada na lockdown ibai sister
who the evangelist
kakra me afera me start
ganti na kakra no evangelist kakra de ba ne say na wi nipa aboje ko akobon pa ya mom ugo kanya me asem sabre na akọ
evangelist me kanya me Don't broadcast me.
It is a wo ko don't broadcasting. That's all you so case on so beda ho no mo sa na nkopa adwuma nya. Say be yan sem bebre nti wo ja wo yire ya no. Now so aye odi. Na discover.
Me Adom. Who born home me evangelist ko ya me ye me ko madwuma.
Okay.
So there's a me ye me car renter. Me ye madwuma me nya kwadefo amamfo do me.
Nyami sraw. Nyami sra so ma ene ya na do dan kwa na na sio na ye nyina ya prinwo yanko yanim Roslyn cover or see good program, God bless you. Nyami o sra won so edu jamfia ma say mama you are so funny and you always make us laugh. Yes, we are here dinti no mebu ani de ayesere kakra. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my darling.
Mommy.
Yes, darling. Your first and I got a thing.
Na mama. Because I'm free. No crotchwa.
All right. I don't crotchwa. I don't know bedroom. I Mansi. It's only Mama China. Mansi. Young come mommy, mammy too.
Mama baby. Long day by. Me kruba me ho. Let me my call baby or me mammy. Now baby when you 3 months I won't know your balloon but soon I say oh we are the Mr. Penna Michelle Baba Buame. Why are they?
And today is a lockdown by no so be so akwala ni mu bi.
I also be so ni mu Buame.
Oba no when you saying?
When you 3 months.
Say ho na ko so be lock in hold down. Fufuo ni nti o. Ano be fufuo ni nti. No be fufuo ni nti no say that be lock in hold down. Yo me bempa nyame ayi oba pa me dance what thing.
Yo me sira papa.
Aya hwa akwala ni yi why? Obviously, I'm watching you live from Atomic Down. Nyami Onshira was to me sweetheart. Ewo Kwabna Michael or say from Atomic Down with Facebook messages na make kind. And sana Obatina or say good evening Rev. You are looking good. I'm listening from Pando and you are doing a good job. My sweetheart. Nyami Onshira so I brought prayer training to be our Instagram page. Na yenyina yemu pay. Hello. 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 Agnes Osario said, Mommy.
Hello.
Mommy, good evening. Yes. Yes, my darling.
Good evening.
Good evening, you Pacho first and Naka Sefin.
Your friend is Mr. Siama.
You, remember?
I feel me fee a dream of coffee. Na me taste a casa radio so. And a drum phone of Zah, then to me free.
Oh, you're afraid.
Me, Siama.
Mrs. Siama.
Or Castle Fell, but
one house will bedroom gate in Anona. Would you get now say, may call. Mrs. Siama, put the story. Yay, Mrs. Siama was rodo, Mr. Siama was rodo. Mrs. Siama, I didn't know if you out at this time, son, about me.
Oh, look, woman, you say. Papa, you make a sign. What you say, one door, you know, what they asked, I will find the wire now. Lockdown with mom say, we don't carry on me.
Sir.
Yeah, but me wire na be 27. And then Nenya Nathan. Me Captain Smart in 955. In 55 and I mean 58.
Okay.
It's my wife for about 10 years.
Wow.
And I didn't meet the and said, "Need you to you could." Nama be feed them. Nama be whom on one of them man. No pay.
Now what's in an India Maubi? No, I yet be an papa be a Maubi.
They made you.
No, I did Joe so cra.
And no pay. Madam Bakin be the other.
Mr. Siama. We know I'm a suja phone in Araho, eh? Nyamisha. All right, Mr. Siama, that's say, Obapa Rainy, or say, our belt should be wiped with alcohol, especially the men's belt. No, go. I say, me man, the move. I say, go baby, I am mofuno abako akobuano. I say, I see hono. Monfa alcohol and paper belt no. And you know, the horse will any clean. So the baby able to me ako ye. Hello.
Hello, Pacho. Good evening.
Good evening, my bempa.
Pacho, so much is your touchdown and we knew that.
Yo, Pacho, mammy, too, eh?
Yo, Kaka, I'm saying, I can't say. Lockdown, young Tapohano, and you know, the dangerous a car for a year, you know.
I didn't hear.
And cool,
I didn't.
Oh, this is 3 funnel. And cool, crap.
Oh, so we need here a temporary measure because of your rain in here.
Uber seems to have some. Oh,
and you're
the amateur about parenting. Yakopon is friend say, on Shena, Yale, we won't need to up on the said in Kofoka and Secomberry or Madame de Ojade or Pleasy, would be a program with Papa.
Your friend is a Bonidian.
Oh, Mr. Madame, we have finished.
Oh, Madame. I mean, I bear my madam or Chadia or Presby. Yet, shall. Hey, I mean, I remember. Situation in from Pesica Beba. Vivian Kolang, I'll say, good evening, mommy. You look gorgeous. I'll say, you look glorious. Just loved listening to your program. Vivian from Domi Pilatu, okay. Viv, Nyami, Unshira, Super Papa, Seja Debbie, Aoji Brena, Oshaye. Sanso, hello.
Hello.
Oh, me Bempa, I wasn't waiting. We are gentlemen, pa.
Good evening.
Good evening, me Bempa. Now, first and Hakasefe.
Your friend Eric, me free to do it.
You, Eric.
Lockdown, when I'm here, say, in Colorado, only be some question too.
Sir?
Me first go was 6 years. Daddy, when you miss this and this, what color will you get?
I said now, untie Niffy.
You tell me if you make by a boy, make by now, mother.
The question is, no more the ease, oh, mommy, yadi.
Mommy, abre.
Any homework, any way, oh, Charlie. Lockdown.
My homework, and what to me, ye be boa, my dear.
Oh, me, be wow.
I said, okay, why you school near the end, so I want a mamma who lockdown is near my who school, so papa no. Schools in the on my and quality fees, so still, yes, and your homework. And mamma, yeah. I send your mom or your baby on mom, you use almost students at the end, yeah, my send you, maybe walk cry, send your more credits near the normal day, homework, almost send it. At the corner, I think you have come in Lucas. I could be a big class and was so I can our send me 20 out more, no more than 2 years. Ah, where the lockdown is on my own school, papa. Papa, there's our school. Well, once in school, your baby school, your baby, you know. Now, once to school, you remember, I mean, I jump for Kwame was a mommy. I'm watching you live from Doha. I am Osha, so Papa Pakatadua. I mean, Chow. And son Isaac Sam was a good work, Mama. I'm watching you live from Bilbao, Spain. I am Osha. One so. And son, I'm happy. I was I'm watching you live from Kurdistan. Hey, prayer train for was so prayer train for Mutia program is very good. Aye. Now when you answer now with this mom some relationships. Or mom about prayer train. So patch over to me about so baby I would be you can join the prayer train. And I do be at 12 midnight. I want mommy me Instagram handle so Rev Mommy Gold. Now by Rev Mommy Gold GH. To buy now click it so on maybe I'm a picture and now they want to life. I just want to wait me a bomb pie in the Biancasa and your ma be brave and 1 day see one a door so brought you anything so I don't see you be brave quack chow. Grace and Puma also watching you live from Düsseldorf. Grace and also the Abba Grace in Yami in show and I press that watch you say very nice BD educate and it is a program educate self watching you live from France. I'm Yamin Shaw, Papa. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, oh, me van pay. Number 12 and I got a friend here.
That's your friend, Frederick Ahenkra.
Yo, Miss Ahenkra.
Yo, my friend. Ye lockdown with you. Mekasa Nanado, ye knew Daniel. We are Nanado, ye knew Daniel. We are Hey, yes, you want me.
Ah, also part of Mama fans. When you saw the custom.
Yeah, Mammy,
now the first night, Jaja.
Where's the Kubi Casa? You love the Yamba or Tusro. What, Mammy, yatra.
Why?
In Slankan Nanado.
Yeah.
But yes, rather say, Oji, Mammy, and then on Pai Boy and Bobanadi. Then your life on Kababoy, Kibit, see a papa and say a bomb and a jet.
Ah, yeah, boy, your Bonyam Empire saying Kakanga, Benya,
and I have friend and
I as a radio.
On some 1 week lockdown, and member no member. I know your mom was Cano. I am no this kind of one way better than anybody. Oh, yeah, better money than near tomorrow, Ben Hundias 1 week. Can you have a home, Mammy?
Matthew, who be now? You know, remember, Yamisha, you, Kwame Champo, I'm watching you live from Italy, and Yamisha, so Kwame, patience, uncle, was a nice show. You make my day, sweetheart, Yami Oinstran, so, Papa, hello. Hello. Maybe I'm paying. Oh, okay, I can't. Hello. Miss Sweetheart, I say you. Adom Nkommo, but your first and I can say,
I'm very Kashima.
You, me patch on my minty way.
Long time, I was, it's young, say, to take
Maybe I'm about to hear Kakramam, why?
Okay. What's the name?
What's the about my heading?
Why
Sa. Now I worry.
No,
worry.
Yeah.
Now, Unkwana, I share them the comedy we are.
Oh, man.
Now, I accommodate you. Would it come experience in a meeting?
A command.
A command. Now, I will be also an unfrewa and Yiskabia.
Oh,
Ose.
Me that peace come.
Oh, line munya me ya say. You me ben panyami show. I do you fear ma say I'm coming please. What time? Patrol 12 midnight. 12 midnight. Why? Ewo me Instagram page. I live Instagram live. Ewo Rev Mami Gold. Me page. Yakubu Amadu. I say Rev Mami Yeboah. I have extreme respect for responsible women, especially my wife. This lockdown has proven the qualities of a good wife. It is very true. Was I mo buma omo ye responsible pa. Na lockdown ma yehu e ma kwadwofo omo nche omo to no mota. E be sua no pa no no ankasa kura wadampa mu peye. Koko yi so a mami ton wodwonshi mami wa ma. Tu be de no anya koko bi anom. Eti ene ho ne ehu ma kwadwofo. Wo mo so so omo ni maduane no omo maduane so nkase. Yeah, was okuni be mani to waye din o adwendwen nyina wo adwen se da ben na do baby eni makopa aduane bi wo jonhye se me yire de aduane fun aduane tantan kume lockdown ye mie ye na enye lock up ni ntimi go ye baby. Isaac the Graft Blake Obi or say good evening. I'm enjoying the show. The reviews are positive. Watching live from Sotium. All right. Ike nyami onshira won so se won so o hweyen. Come. Hello. Obi said the lockdown should come every 6 months. Patience angu. Patience is on the onyanka 6 months be a FNTM. Hello. Yeah, me bempa. But your first and I can say
Ujani bayi ma. Mtakwenda mimi
yo bayi ma bacho mami tio.
Lockdown there. Ama eme be unse. Say ho den na e won na adwuma ntina. Inya kwan enhwe ma chamo am.
Na the lockdown no mo de ko so mo hwe ya na.
Say dem no de eye adibie no no me na.
Ani so yire so betimi asaw. Ti wa woni problem no. Wo problem yire so betimi asaw.
Any problem by your example men na near bready to wa che na nka.
Ti mo rest ya no.
Oh,
awon ma hu se na mo nwu sa.
Say hu se ye wu kra.
Ti mo se nkrofo atuntu petition ni ade age musika di kwa.
Ani o ma mo menu no na ya ni mu de e kon natural.
Ye.
Any te wani.
Na wa ware de.
E ba jame be na te.
E wa wo yire.
Awo mi am dia.
All right. I mean,
wa ma one thing.
Na wo girlfriend so won chen.
Ono no dem ni girlfriend.
Ana baby o gine ono oni so oni girlfriend to better no aka.
E ba jo nya me den wa.
And you better you ko yani boy. O better no aka say yellow are. Nyami. Go am your boy J. I say hello precious mommy. It's your daughter Anna. All right, Anna. Nyami Uchra papa. Anna Kezia Anima. Also, please, good evening. Watching you live from La Paz. This lockdown has brought a great unity in my house between my stepmother and my father and all the children. Wow, that's so beautiful. Also, lockdown we the stepmother and then the papa and then kwalani nyina ka wo mbom and you bo mpo be so na we hwe wani. It will be then what I said. There be a message you have me kwakwen. Sell film or say obinim took about 4 person. Obinim took about 4 person. About 4 took obinim person. Adom took Peace FM person. And Opa said any serious. And Peace FM took Adom person. 1-1 draw. Haha, fan of it. John. When you know, because I say lockdown, and you'll be in here about 40. Well, yeah, mamma, boy, and Munya, young queer baby. Aye. Salina also sorry, or say, good program. God bless you. Mamma, your boy. Salina Yamisha. Hello. Hello, Papa.
Hello.
About your first and I got a friend.
But your Auntie Mercy, you Achim.
Achimohe.
Achim of food. The Danameka, I wish you be a trail.
Ayo, Papa. Bibi Abaco.
But your when you made a draw the HM and a draw minimum that I check. That's a 50 years.
Mammy.
Auntie.
About you, we are no afraid. Why? Hello. Hello. Mama, the entire Mekati on the Soko boy drobidia. Ebiana drone and shed any who way, when Uncle Fasta will be a copy baby. No, come neck or send baby. It won't be beside part of Fremiam number. Now, only yanka, Nafi, and found quite appropriate quarters and then to me more. Why? Hello. Ebampa. But on wine, was we are as all you so be annoying. Hello.
Hello, I said I'm a tongue, can you?
Aha. But your first and I got everything.
Yo, your friend, Sammy.
Yo, what was I make us everything?
Miss Casafi, Accra, at Blazer.
Yo, what's I mean to you?
Yo, Mammy?
Yes.
Minimum, so your programs are Cassia. Minimum, some photo more assembly to warning.
Pa.
Lord Dan Yakino, Pobiki Nukunaba, and I never say of an achi.
There be that.
Thank you.
Now, one echo for now, who's a crown for crash shot? Well, who's a crown for crash shot?
Lord Dan Yabu,
Papa.
Mini between you and another young Denny. Nanado, young Denny.
But who said Lord Dan is my member, baby, who's somebody or more than hello, Obifufro. Can we possess a woman's Obi can say? A member baby, so much see them no more can't see come with my guests, mobile money near dear. No more so much them now, commodium, no more, you don't say, oh, what do see can be no Kaisi called him my Gabriel who say, ask me, didn't say, my Fafufro. Hello, Bempa.
Hello.
Remember now, your first and I can say for you.
Oh, you.
Yo, of a Joe, Casafe.
Can I be fittest?
Yo, of a Joe lockdown, who is I? What are you? I didn't see. We are Juma.
I remember the name of one of you.
We are Juma.
And my young MP.
We are Juma.
Yes, my baby break here.
A Juma banner now. We
one of the
finance companies. It's a day in a lockdown. I'm wow, but we are Juma finance company.
So we will see in Quano, me light in my Yana.
That's a lockdown. You'll be MP and Quabonte. But when to me and to Tony Macaka, and you do an
oh, maybe I already have any problem.
It's a day in a how lockdown.
Assembly. Second, I'm nine for, and so nine to Peneda.
Now you know where we are now.
Oh, we are.
What only legend? Eh?
So, no woman,
who can not the application, and whole board. Then the obey and any.
So, the woman to the Bo Nkommo later.
But Obama, yeah, Juma come.
Oh, a boy, and you're in Canada.
Sorry, how much?
Mamma, you're in Canada.
Okay, and then I know we need how, and to that, a bay Juma. All right, but I say, Portia, we see us. Good evening, Rev. I'm watching you live from Burma Camp, Battalion Block C. Madam Portia near you, Madam Portia. With Chow Papa. Emmanuel, your boy, I'm listening from Libya. Nice lady. A nice program. Your press lab watch was Mommy Gold. God bless you. I'm really enjoying tonight's show. Watching live from Paris. Yeah, sweetheart. Young fat will be for hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Sweetheart. Remember, wow, voice in here now. One near now will be a no and I said, yeah. I am Patrobium Kakram.
No, lockdown on the Uncle.
Me and Casami, who voice and who says the lockdown of one or Casape, who by you so. Uncle Yama. I didn't Uncle Yama. Tell me, oh, say, they fear yet. About power of your saying,
oh, no,
bear
25.
25 years. We are Juma.
What you have in now?
Oh, say,
I've been a paid man.
oh, and I want 21 at it. Now, I'm so young, Juma. Oh, Yamem, wow. So, we see you may be a copy, you may be seen, and they're still bending a glass of free war, metal works in the idea. kosua bibi ebe ma wo ankasa ho aba because no kwasem ni say artisan ni eno na sika wo mu obi a o artisan bia wontimi ka say wonya wo sika kakra wati te pacho pe bibi sua why I so this card be sua dey afre me kwa kotua ma wa ko chase na hisra Koko and your boy AJ as mommy I'm watching you live from London Miss we ha nyami onsha Koko ye be shia ye nyina be shia wo prayer train so hello my darling what your phone na ka say free
o ka say free
o ka say free
tama
all right but what you feel say
mommy your boy
yes darling
uno ze ba na ebi mu ase yon mo de ton mo nu ba
mpacho dabi mama e boa di na boy reverend mama e boa kuma e dey reserve no down ho dey dey kuma special area obi gi free se bebe adwen fast atwen
me say sister tete obi kaze o ko tu se me bia me ko tu e na di ana se me ko na wo grant say
so we are there
but I don't I see it I am it and I just mean when they make I drink
and then I order
say sister we bet you me no wash say me cook kitchen when I'm cook ya and you will best start
yeah maybe o chan fa no ntwen kuma ya to aso the next person hey papa boy you say then I in the ma just say ya say na dwen ye nko ye ni mu John Eric Erickson was he watching you live from OT region JSK I say good evening my lovely Daniela love you so much love her so much okay darling Obete Charity Annan I say good program God bless you mama God bless you Miss Sweetheart yami unsho yanko obiso osuani o mapa hello
yeah
good evening obebe mpa na pacho ya first na aka se free here
I must calling from Abuja
yo Brahma I mean you
so can't fa na me ma so pa serious
Brahma
yes
o te me kan che
enye
ewa hi na se da bi out me kan wa ha
that you are doing from balance na me guide
adan ye ya wo boni ana
lockdown ba na sa me bufu ye
te say I was think asam no any radio na nam o think asam no radio na nam pa ma bufu ati because lockdown no say dem say at least we dey himself say na mo asiri kakra na ma pressure come from what I say
na me ta we di ma pa o ye
me da se me su ya
Adom from to mo asebu nyina
oh nyami shira mo nso wati
nyami shira mo na mo ni de kosto be dia tra mo yeti ni en kosto mo na
oh ya say yo mini ada ma nyami shira
e kam en tia ma asem so lockdown no de e ba en of course e boy en pa bebre ni se ye dia Regiment na me hit have fi ka ti me fa ya complete eh to preta de am ha se mi to du me a bo se me to wa na me betre am pa so am pa na ko de fa coronavirus ni ba na me se sa e fele o ke da mo no de okay of course ska sa na mi program e ya na se mi ade de product so all this example sa fit mask ni ya de da me don ti di ma bebre na mo no the program of me 50 ni say
how to work when one
mommy from a
we yiri from adodo now no so no nim say sa brena lockdown ye ndi beans ye ni milk ye ni kosua and no kika ni nyina boss so
it is that the crab on until na do pattern
yes now the rubber be ashen to now the pia bontin tena de na mo be go bontin
2019 and say yes you know genuine na say if you know me obi akasa
I fa no free Robens no free
no free kuma so
asantini no tetan sa
asantini no tabo mutani
anka asantifo de ko mutan kran ko mu fra ho emom asantifo mutimi tetan rough say sister dai na o chemu na tetan no na mo da ne ntoku a ho de
I mean, be a Rupert and be a number so a quality.
Etina Bufueno, Etina Bufueno. The guy tells them to 1 year at a time. One money. Yo, remember, I mean, where they don't get your manitia or baby. Or baby, I mean, him the pan and talk a cracker. Me who you could say, Granam, you have some money. What me, James say, not pay up a panel, not suspended. Papa, so they can't say anything to say double. Young quiet. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Yes, my darling. But Jefferson, I got everything.
Your friend said Talankai. All
right. Maybe I'm coming to you. Why?
Oh, mommy, I'm in shower. My pa, oh, boy.
Hallelujah.
No, what do you, my dear? Of course, lockdown.
Debbie, bombing. They won't cast on them.
I cry by fear and who so as to a dean woman, papa. As to a dinner woman, okay, Chinese, I won't call okay, Chinese one for book. None of work. I want to see that or Barney, papa.
Then
I want to get the teacher at the ama. The wife, any Ghana papa. Because any man fought to fear on Kulaminin, and ye when Papa, my friend, you my friend, my bedroom. A friend of my bedroom, mother. My minister, and come home with me. Nothing. Some I locked down in my go child, so far. Now, make you monamic, Casana, me, Frey, and I'm
yeah, then Yamia says, once who are ban a baby, Yamin Shrow, Papa, as I said, I know a sonimu. Now, once I will fear what me at Uncle Alibi, that they be almost obey me, any baby one so high. Yamin Shrow. As my Martin, I say, I'm watching you live from Italy. I like your program. I like you too, my darling. Just for men was a good evening from Germany. God bless you. Good job, Mommy Gold.
Hello, Mommy.
Sweetheart, may I say hello?
That's a good evening.
Good evening, Papa. Yeah, friends, and I can say for him. What's saying?
Pacha, friend, is here, make us Benya.
Yo, made up for my meeting.
When they are done and not lockdown, no for to think on.
Hey, I've gone for Bamuem, one was say. One more be as a lockdown, one pet. And he lockdown the best thing, Obiasi and some family.
Yes, 2 weeks, yes, and
about what worry? All right, may I say? Namisha, Papa. Sauda Kunche, I would die, Edan is soon to see a family count. I shine, but the next callers and me pay a suja phone. Now, so lockdown, Metiomo so story, but says, yeah, wow, from we are any man from me pay suja for. Now lockdown, so me heard the experience, no. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Papa.
But your friend, Yaira.
Yaira, what worry?
Man, patron, me my first auntie, mammy dinner, so mamma, Miss All
right, okay, we pet, no, you are free, so nothing. You are quite suja for the line.
Ma, papa, not some more kind, and I'll say, near a bonus, hey, ma, say, I have some more.
Now, Yaira,
ma,
me patron once or otter.
My mom is me every moment.
Yeah, you don't hear my mitro. Oh, yeah, would you cry? Let's what I hear, Pam. I can't just say, oh,
my baby,
and Mam, we move Pamo Mammy. Oh, yeah,
Mamma, me fair one, so me the chicken number been a prayer, but I'm the winter now.
Me patcho you.
Me person can you Jim Komoka crowd.
Oh, Papa, me number no. So we him dada.
Patron.
020 no ni me boy.
Patron.
It's I send me text and phone number can WhatsApp and as a voice message me tie pe me feel. Why? Na me show. Afa mi kwa sujafoɔ ne ho sɛ dia wafo yi ya hyɛ da ate o makoma na ɛna me enjoy pa ne fa TV sinka ho. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, my darling. Pacho, your first and I can say
but the family Gideon free.
Yo, Gideon.
Mami.
What are
but the debut.
I lockdown who no say.
Oh, lockdown. Meanwhile, so by Ekoye.
Ekoye. Unya obi baby be share wo ho.
The view.
Na ba ne say.
Oh, and ni na koma mi bi. O tia mi. Salamasi.
Okay.
On the boy me pa.
It your share fine. Emma we do di.
Yeah, dana sama me.
Your friend is saying?
So this is Zante.
Zante?
Ah.
All right. And your mom is Zante?
Oh, me be mo.
We are different. Okay. Yo, Zante to say?
Young Adom here.
Me ban pa mama you.
Oh.
What worry?
Me say.
Lockdown who say?
Me papa.
Ay, na me na chia o kai se wo mo worry na mo.
This is that on the chan waka. Na me catch it. Lockdown ba o me ko. What's your I just see remember. I feel like I can't matter.
What's sister?
I see the sister say ombra.
Your girlfriend. Tina ka person ka lockdown or locking hold down. What worry?
Da bi me say na kan person or locking.
Tina just say ka wo bebu ne kwase asa 3 weeks.
Oh, da. Say you na wa ha sana to kwaka.
Ba ne koye ne ho ade because aware ede. So what say the awafo ni nyina kan yen. Ozo ma yi asijafo wa yi mu ba akwa hye munsa.
Then the vegetable.
Ti ye na ko ware. What?
Nothing.
Na afi wa hu say we dey okuta legal right. No wetimi ajiwani. Nyame onshira papa me da say. Obi said the prayer train happening live. Please join us on Mami Gold live on Instagram page. Nyame adwa enana you fenya. Anaju bia 12 midnight bia ye bompa ya no edin. Our prayer train so our Instagram page Rev Mami Gold. Uba follow me on Instagram. Ubetimi ajoin in live now so wetimi abompa ye ni bi. Ni o mesisi wo na do so. Raseleni o say good evening my sister Yeboah. My sister is also called Yeboah. I'm enjoying the program, watching you live from Germany. The lockdown was good, but I beg all Ghanaians to obey the laws in the country. That will help them. All right, Russell. Nyami Ochiran so papa yeda say. O so futu ya free Germany tom. E di abrayen. Ena Shintoa. Chikoto Popo. Di we meet me more. Okay, oh dear. From Oslo, I say I want to learn how to lie. Hey. From Oslo, want to learn how to lie. There be any wrong program, so no what testing. Now how the Uber chantros are there? One no chant run your chain. Hello.
Hello, ma.
Yeah, me bampa. Your first and I got something.
I can see this in Gasso.
Yo, I was easy.
My
what worry?
You.
Lockdown, who is saying?
Rough.
Sajaman, you'll be by share.
Why here?
We any papa for papa, guys, I come report this on buyer.
Papa, it's
sir, let just say when you'll be by free, and you use, sir.
Yes, sir.
About Pacho Coarino, Coyani. What?
My dada.
Why any one other? Oh, any of the Yamias, and I just all said that. Open with 2 years. Yeah, papa. All right, remember me that's Yamisha. Right. All right. Martin Boss was a good evening to you, mommy. Yeboah Esiedu, Medina Yeboah Esiedu. And then next, I'm watching you live from Adom Kwame Barakesi Road. Okay, sweetheart Yamisha. So hello.
Hello, madam.
Yes, my darling. Your friend said, I got a friend.
Efokuma Lolonyo.
Efokuma Lolonyo. Efokuma me sure say wa worry.
Mbacho David. Woni mi di. Mi pamo ade. Okay, all the time before Juma. Me wo girl bi. Me fan say I can't come here worry atana.
Okay.
Ya si afini ni kupo ya doma ile worry.
Okay.
Ikito nyama. Ya shini ta say once you get the pampo ni na to get net you. You all the time na ma fin aka me worry no nka mi ni beti.
Ya just say na wa fin unya yan kasabre no wa worry no.
Na.
But sabre so nipa bebre ye mistake o. Because who say sabre nya na do ma kwan say wa beti my public gathering e say nipa 25 pe. One ka uni scan ka unya. Ka unya ka sabre na worry 25.
Ya manu kwa ye to wi akaka kra na e ka wi. Ya ship papa.
Unya ka lockdown we share that say ni o mani gwa say na the body mi no bi so. Ah, yes, man, 25 no.
Aha, I was on the chat to fix every friend and meet the commoner, my junior.
Ah, and there's a way the other one in Anche.
Oh, I said, Adoma, me don't know, and try to
oh, for Yamisha, what's it? My Bible said, you know what, yeah. I said, you know, you're in Unya, Yami, any more, and you saw. Yami, oh, now wait me, and what an anatana. That'll be our Phoebe about fear, and you're quite Yamisha. All right. Yeah, Mammy, last one. Hello.
Hello, Mammy.
Yes, Miss Sweetheart. Father, for no ben phone, no kakra. Hello. Hello. Okay, Mammy, last one. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Miss Sweetheart. We are my last caller. Me baba. Obi say, oh, good evening. How are you, sister? Good work. God bless you. I'm watching you live from Spain. Bless you too, my darling. Rachel Apia or say, God bless you for the good work. Listening to and from Teshi Bush Road. Hello. All right. And hello.
Hello.
Yes, darling.
What?
Yes, darling. But your first and I got a thing.
I don't mean honest.
Let's meet you.
I shall go to
you. Let's meet you. Why?
Yamisha, my family.
Hallelujah.
Adom dear. There will be because I said, yeah, the Adoma Bomaria.
Sir,
maybe I'm a radio to me in Adom.
Yea, when you're
24/7, there will be one error.
All right.
Yamisha, na Edma Pamela. Now, lockdown with you. Echo Yepa. No, bra, Mano Mube.
Sir,
Uber Casasa.
Oh,
Mamma, what?
They
removed.
Oh, Dakra, Mumma,
oh, Wunda.
Ah.
Omonda. Na me fa kwenya we so na ma bom here about so pa.
Bonidi na yenye jene so kakra.
O di auntie Becky Rebecca.
O wa hefa wo friend auntie Becky. Wa wo yire no friend auntie Becky. Woni pet name bi a de friend no.
Oh, me friend sweetheart so.
Sweetheart in the time days when I had a friend Sundays ana.
Pajosi.
Sweetheart in the Sundays na had a friend ana de bia.
Maybe I'm friend my ba friend sa.
Sa na jope wo koda na friend sweetheart. Na je so ko.
Oh, yanzu sa. No na me friend.
All right, my darling. Auntie Becky. Nyami wo nshira wo ku se na ni so. Say the wa hwe no ama ne kuma ato ne yam nkrofo tiatem yenya duane ni o no wo bank wa ready dada nyami nshira wo. All right. Yeah, that's it. Rita said, Mommy, I'm learning a lot. God bless you. God bless you too, Miss Sweetheart. And then Crawford Baby and Yaji Facebook and so many Yaji pa. We said, God bless you for the good work. Listening from Tish. Okay. My kind of I said, God bless you, Mommy Boy. I say, yeah, Backman. I said, some people are so funny pa. You been money Yaji. I said, yeah. And then the enti nipa no de oye bia no ene enije wu man kasa bebre se nyame nana san family nana I hope say wutie woni man beki mosu mutie lockdown no nana wan so je wa home aba ti oda no sorry no abejo value Ghanaians ne ekoye nim maami efua ampede wasi oh de oka se ne yire tetando do no obi abetia mu se oh papai e ba ma nyame ni musisa musuban yo na ukun awa ukuku atimi atia no so obeja asomdwe kakra na sister yi opoma no pa one milk one udi kosu aboso udi borodo agu akire udi beans awia waduane udi nkate beans awia waduane eye lunch enkate nkwan ani amutuo wasan so de no so anwumre na adan obeso otukun free dem ho ani so ku lockdown wi na sa na yire dem from abone ene ekunu obisa mama mind your language you claim to be a reverend asumasi na adam me claim to be a reverend obita yenka ana so obita eyebone na dey say asofo omunta asofo so tan ho eti you and sister you are being too serious why If somebody claims to be a reverend, I will thank across and I'm leaving the marriage, you know. Norma, and the you any I don't claim I am a reverend, but will be time I can't Nipanata. Stephen Annan, I say hello, mommy. You are too much beautiful. May God bless you. You too much for the program. I'm watching you live from Italy. Yes, Stephen Annan, Italy. Oh, I'm sweetheart. Yami. Winshira papa. Asana Jackie Granting. Good evening, mommy. Thanks for your program. Chatting from Tripoli, Libya. I'm sweetheart. Yami Winshiramo papa. I just said you any big and it seems like Jama Unya about Takura dia wire bonnie. Mama, you know your confession or thank you. Fredlin, I was watching you live from Canada. BC, God bless you, my darling. Yami Onshra so. Asana, I say Tina Ebo, I say good evening, says good evening. Young men, you have been Nana baby one day. Wasria, I didn't know a man do na. Omunya Tiono, Papa the kind will be a kind dear. Any will be kind nonsense. I will tell them what warrior. It's any Mobi Obi Kunzaka say, we are the Massamini Abaswamami. I will be a beautiful mama gold, Doris, Dupako, Yami in Shaw. Or say, where is Efo? Efo about Efo by Efo so no so ten who says, and I dear so no kind of banquano pa. Then you're not yet no troubles and any aji and casa. Mommy, good evening. In fact, I wish Obviously, good evening, mommy. In fact, I wish tomorrow is another lockdown. I was saved like a real king. And it is served like a real king. Yeah, for the first time. The year shared out to the pond. I was a mommy. My wife, Mabel Sapon. Kusi. All right, my wife Mabel Sapon Kusi of GES and Coco proved that she is indeed a virtuous woman. Stay safe. Whoa. Auntie May, nyami wo nshira huku aje jo so ha. Enti we watch na wa mo akoma kwa mane how. What the nyina abegu so ama. Ow. Today's program is fantastic. I have really enjoyed it. Pa and any aji and kasa press laborache. I say Ray B Roxy. I say good evening, Mama Gold. I am late today. I really like the way you handle your program. You are so lovely to your listeners. Keep it up, sweetheart. Papa. Watching you live from Long Island, NA, New York. I see, good job. We are still on partial lockdown. Oh, New York for me, Bompire. Governor Nkommo in Crawford, I hope say Papa no is stressed up, but I hope say Newman Ebeko form. Pacho, New York Chris. Any bano says, yeah, I'm hoping say Omoho Chris or CNN. Watching you live from Long Island, Pacho also. May no come. Messages need draw soon. That's why Hannah said, ne, Yadi Jumedi is Yamisha say, Oba, Oye Bra, share, now we see yen so come, Mamma on Facebook, Mamma tea, so Ghana, had money, sound is Yami when shall what's it, Obapa, no question, you will fear. Obi ahwani fie yie hwe ukun yie hwe oyire yie ye hu se lockdown no kan busia bebre bom wa still guso ni ukun ayaka wa still wuso ni ukun ye nkasa wa no yire kun emema mo pemma emema mo di musika nyina ko hwema wo se dru lockdown no na hu se esika bebre na wa se no wo di sika bia ma oba bi oba kokko ni bi mu adi se sika ni free anka wo de boa wo yire a nka mo nyina mo koma betimi atomo yam enti de mpese me cho se oba be me na me fisra baby biara se de nyoma tie bia bomodi an se ubehwe ofie yie no hu se de ne lockdown abane san so na yesu so betimi afemu abada bi wani beba ho so no na ne o manyina asesa na aben na bom na wa anya bre ansan asesa wadwe enti mpacho fie bia bia nyame de wa hye no hwe ho yie nyame adom so anadwo ya 12 midnight pepepe any every anadwo bia 12 midnight ye bom pa ye ewo me Instagram page so Reverend Mami Gold, Rev Mami Gold. Who follow me? Na afe we join live no 12 midnight no. Ni abompaye na uko hono mo so na chese uko click on na de bia se ye kon so a ubenya notification na so wetimi a join nyame onsha no nti na ni mu nche pacho my number 0207 9398 020 0207 93 98 17. Patch me pese. Oba send me text mum and I say WhatsApp. I know na me pay. Because calls it mabre enti patch. Oba frame me ochina area be 12. But see idea. O send me WhatsApp and a WhatsApp messenger, voice message. My dear, we here be a me be kama. Nyame won shira. No ntene nim emfa enchiro. Me da se.
Answer me bomb why and tell me if it's a penny for concept of friend then I better see it. Into me grab my candle lights, so straight to action. To open my mouth, satisfaction. Remember I can get more fearful not to